welcome back to my channel. So right now we are currently on our way to our little Christmas getaway. This is a cottage we found on Glam Hub around 2 hours away from Toronto. This is something we have been looking forward to since the beginning of December, and we're finally on our way to our little cottage. I heard it's very pretty, so I will give you guys a full house tour when we get there.
Hey there. What is this guy gonna do?
And this is where we're staying for our little Christmas getaway. Are heading out for breakfast. It's Christmas Day, so I am assuming that a lot of restaurants will be closed. We would have to call in and drive around to see what's open. I am currently walking down the hill from where we're staying, which is right here. We're resorting to McDonald's because nothing else is open. Thank God there is a McDonald's, otherwise we would have starved. We came here thinking that breakfast places would be open, but pretty much all the restaurants are closed today because it's Christmas Day. So we're gonna get some McDonald's and decide whether or not we're still going hiking today, right? Yeah.
No problem. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Is this the kind of music you like?
I like the guitar.
I don't know how much longer, but probably not much longer, so we can keep driving. Drive straight and you'll see water, and drive right into the water, okay?
Okay. I don't want to swim though.
That's fine. We are going on an adventure. This place is off the map, so we don't actually know what we're doing or where we're going. There is a little path here though. So I think we're just gonna follow it and see where that takes us.
I'm cold.
We are going to do a Target challenge because we already exchanged gifts. We're going to start with favorite snack, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
I just bought this too.
I know! Oh my god.
We bought this.
We were at the gas station and he literally just got it, but I really wanted to keep it as a surprise, so I didn't tell him that I got him that too.
I was just legit steering it, and then you said no. I was like, why? It's not like you're paying for it, and then I bought it.
Yeah. It's the same flavor too.
What's next?
Favorite drink? 2, 1.
What the heck?
How did you get that?
This was $10 at Walmart.
From Walmart!
It was in the same aisle you're in. Why you get me tea?
No! Okay, so your favorite drink is matcha. I got you matcha because you love that.
Okay.
And then you also love Starbucks peppermint mocha.
Okay.
But you don't like coffee. So I got you hot chocolate, and all you have to do is put in 1 peppermint tea bag and it will be peppermint hot chocolate.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, you did favorite color in every day. I did every day and something that you need. You need to bring them up together, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I can bring them up together too, but you need to close your eyes for 2 seconds.
Okay.
2, 1.
What the heck is that?
What is that? Is that like a toothbrush thing?
Yeah.
That's cute. Okay, well, for every day, I got you a Brita water bottle because you have been sipping on mine. You need this.
Mine's so ugly.
It's the exact same thing as mine, but mine's thermal. They didn't have that Walmart, so I just got you this one. And then for something that you need, your place is a mess, so I got your shoe rack for your shoes. because you just leave them everywhere.
But I have
And
shoe boxes.
That's not functional at all, okay?
Fine.
Like, this is so functional. It's a 4-tier shoe rack and it's black. Your favorite color. Okay? Also, that works. That technically works. Something that reminds us of each other. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna be disappointed.
Mine's in a plastic bag, so.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
You got me batteries? I have so many batteries.
You love batteries. Every time I see batteries, it reminds me of you.
What the heck?
Did you give me a bear? Oh my god.
Why'd you give me
It's
batteries?
huge. Because it reminds me of you.
I have so many batteries.
You're always like dealing with batteries and stuff.
Well, it has 20 years shelf life.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. COVID, so. Well, now this teddy bear's clean. I forgot. I was hugging it.
I don't want to be this anymore. Call me fat.
I bet we're gonna have fun / relaxing time, and then yesterday you're like, I want to go home. I can't even use the washroom. Oh wow!
Honestly, not burning.
Why?
The wood? Yeah.
Go. Bag. Of course, the day we leave, it decides to snow.
Oh.
It's so pretty. Snow everywhere, but we're leaving, so.
Does it feel warmer than yesterday?
Yes, it's not as cold as yesterday. You know I want to what?
I know you're gonna leave me here.
Well, yeah, you're too heavy to carry down. I can kick you down. Maybe that way you can roll down the hill instead.
Yeah, so you're calling me fat.
If I